Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create and customize contact poster on your iPhone 17 Air. Okay, so you can do that either in your phone application or in your contacts application. I will show you both. First of all, let's go to contacts application and open a list of your contacts, and at the very top of your screen you should see your contact information. So that's it, that's your contact information. And let's go to phone application, and at the bottom switch to contacts tab, and as well at the top you should see your contact information. So from this moment it's absolutely the same. And now what you want to do is go to this tab that says shared name and photo, and this is this customization menu. And let's start with customizing. So you have to switch to poster section right here at the top and you can choose your image, or you can create Memoji for your poster. So for photos it's very simple. You just have to choose your photo. You can take it using your camera right now, or you can select from photo from your library. So simply pick one photo, and here you can customize it. You can apply some filters if you want. Also you can write your name right here and adjust some fonts and colors, so play around with those. Here are many options to choose from, and also you can change the color of your title of your name. Yes, and if you are satisfied with what you have created, you have to tap done button to save to save changes. But I'm not happy with it, and I will show you now how to create your Memoji. So let's go here, and this is the section where you can create your personal Memoji. So you can use those animals here. You can see here are many of them. And also, as you can see, here are many facial expressions that you can use. But if you don't like to use animal stuff, you can tap this plus button right here and create your own Memoji. So press get started button, and here you can adjust every single piece of this character, starting from skin tone and I don't know, ending with let me scroll down, ending with clothing and some headwear stuff. So that could be very personalized, and you can create literally a copy of yourself. So just play around with those. I will not get into details because this will be a very long video, but as you can see, here are many options that you can adjust. So yeah, that's basically how you can create that poster. And what else? We have to tap next button. So let's pretend that I want to select this Memoji. I tap next button, and this is the same page which I had with my photos section. So I can change the background of my poster. Let's switch to this green color. Also I can change my name, what should be displayed right here. I can set my fonts and colors for it. I can change the color of my font. And what we have here, this is depth effect, if you want that or not, but I'm not sure why is it not working. But I think this is the maximum that you can get out of this depth effect. Yes, that's it. What I was talking about is that you cannot just move it around, but okay. And what else? When you're done, when you're satisfied, you have to tap done button, and as you can see, your poster now is changed. And basically your poster will be displayed every single time once you share your contact with someone. Yes, and when you initiate a calls, someone will see your poster when you call someone. So that's basically how it works, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and do not forget to save it by tapping this icon in the top right corner of your screen. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if it helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.